sky was open, I took my shot. Wings of fire, forgot I'm not immortal, but I chased that height till silence broke with a bird strike. High on dreams, low on fear, jet stream soul, crystal clear. No map, no plan, just will to soar above the noise, above the war. I broke from gravity's law, thought I could dance with gods I saw, but every wing sings sacrifice, and every light demands its price. I flew too fast, I climbed too blind, left my past like smoke behind. But feathers fall when pride ignites, and truth hits hard in mid-flight. Bird strike, I hit the truth, broken wings, still chasing proof. Crash and burn, but I still rise. Scars like stars across my skies. Bird strike, no turning back, fall or fly. I ride the track, shattered, but I found my sound. Even falling, I'm skybound. Clouds don't care who bleeds below. They watch me rise, they watch me go. Caught in currents, burned by speed, but I ain't done, I still believe. Ambition sharp, but so is pain. Every ascent holds acid rain, but better crash than never try. At least I kiss the edge of sky. I hear the silence speak in flames. It doesn't judge, just names my name and tells me this, the flight was real. Even broken, I still feel. Bird strike, I hit the truth, broken wings, still chasing proof. Crash and burn, but I still rise. Scars like stars across my skies. Bird strike, I won't regret every bruise, a silhouette of who I was and what I fight. Born to fall, I'm still ignite. Feathers fall like faded youth, but every drop a kind of truth. The sky remembers every scream and carves them deep into the stream.